Hello, and welcome to my final project demonstration for IT499. This is an application that's designed to test the security policies of your company or your home network. So this is the name of the application, and it was written in Visual Studio 2012. Okay, you've got three different tools here: password cracker, a port scanner, and a network analyzer. And we'll go through these real quick here. So I'm going to type in my login information, and I'm going to choose a password, and I'm going to pick one that's going to be pretty easy to find so this doesn't take too long. Okay, then I'm going to hit the screen button, and it's going to start to look for it using a dictionary search. And the password is Abigail, and you can see it found it pretty quickly. It took only a little over 5 seconds. Okay, then I'm going to try another one that's not in the dictionary. And what's going to happen here is it's not going to find this in the dictionary, so it's going to go on and do a brute force search, which involves basically using every combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to try to guess the password, which is going to take actually quite a long time. So I'm actually going to skip the dictionary search and go right to the brute force search. But again, you can see there's this is the number of possible combinations that it's going to search, which is going to take quite a long time. So I'm just going to abort this right here. And as you can see, it tells me that it stopped, and that that took 36 seconds to get that far, and it's going to take probably quite a bit longer to actually find it. So we'll just go on to the next section here. Okay, the port scanner is a tool that's designed to detect open ports on your system or on a remote system. And we'll start with my local network here, and I'm just going to pick a range of ports to look through. In this case, I know that port 80 is going to be open, so we'll just go ahead and run this, and you'll be able to see what's happening here. So you can do this on your local network, but you can also do it on a remote system. So let's say, for example, I want to look and see what ports are open on Google. You can use a range, or you can just choose a set of ports separated by commas, any ones you want. And again, I'm going to port 80, I'm just going to pick a couple here. Port 21, I think it's going to be open too. The way this works basically is it's going to, when it sends its request, if it receives a reply, then it knows that the port's open, and if it times out, then it's going to be considered closed, as you can see right here. So that's how that works. For network statistics, it's basically going to examine the flow of packets through the network, and I'm just going to hit this, and you can see you've got a list of interfaces on the system, and the speeds and the amount of information that has been sent and received through it. To get a kind of a better look at this, I'm going to open up a web browser and just search a couple of websites. You'll be able to see the upload and download speeds here. So I'm going to go to YouTube. And you can see what's happening here. If I look at a video, download a video, you'll be able to see what's going on here. So that's basically how that works. Now this tool will also allow you to look at a report based on everything that we just did in this last session. So you can see the 2 password attempts are listed right here. The 2 port scanning attempts are shown right here. and the network analyzer is shown right here, and you can save this to a disk if you want. that is basically it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.